It is time to work on the Cummins. $250 dry. Did not get oiled because who wants oiled? Nice, look how simple that is. The jammer install guide. Clamps, hose. You guys know what all this crap is. Look at that though. It's a big filter, man. It's my hand. I mean, I don't got that big of hands, but big enough. Let's get started. Now that the air filter is off, I want to show you why we're replacing it. It is filthy. It has all sorts of crap in it everywhere. You see that silt? It's not very good. This truck was deleted a very long time ago, and this was the filter that was put onto it as soon as it was deleted. And so it's lived out its days. Things are not indestructible. Take these sensors off. The CCV filter, where it goes into your turbo, a lot of people would argue that this should be deleted. I haven't quite decided yet. Look at that. She definitely spits some oil, doesn't she? Let's check the turbo out. That is a filthy turbo. 165,000 miles. The actuator does not work, so no e-brake, and the CCV filter is still there. No play in the shaft, however, and it still gets pretty good boost. So we're not in a hurry to swap it out yet. That's enough playing around. Let's get to the fun part. The dry filter. Look at that box. My goodness. The intake tube and the cover. That looks slick. Check it out. My wife ran it over because I left it in our driveway. Silly me. Quick side-by-side comparison for the air filters. Holy... If that is not enough reason right there to switch these out, I don't know what would be. Get rid of this. Let's get started. Take these sensors out and put them in your new one. If you're really ambitious, now would be a great time to clean those up. I'm not. Grab your new bolts. The old ones will not work. Don't ask me how I know that. Fits like a glove. Now grab the top. And this sensor is going to go right in like that. This needs to be replaced with this. It does not come with any clamps though, so that's kind of silly. Comes with new screws, but no new clamps. Voila, we have it all preset, put together. Nothing else to do besides jam it in. And there you have it. I jammed it in there real good. This wiring harness, super tight. The intake itself sits crooked because I'm trying to give as much slack as I can to these wires. That ain't good. It fits, but it's tight. Other than that, pretty easy installation, step by step. Number one recommendation is you gotta just piece it together outside of your truck so you get a good understanding of what it's gonna feel like when you get it in there. Let's start it up and see if we can hear her breathe just maybe a little bit better. Sounds about the same, might be a little bit more throaty, and it matches the Edge Insight CTS3. If you're thinking about buying that, check it out right here. But it really just helped clean up the old air intake, and for $250, man, it was a steal. So until next time, everybody, peace and love.